What we have here is our final project for G1111. We basically built a thermostat with the Arduino board, a breadboard. We have the LCD right here, and a light bulb to regulate the temperature, and a MOSFET. Okay, basically what we did first was connect the LCD directly to the Arduino through these series of pins, which will display the input in the code through the LCD. We have here also a piezo speaker, which is connected to the power, and it's connected to a digital pin here, which in the Arduino code we programmed it to sound every time you press one of these buttons we have here. These buttons are also connected to both power and the Arduino, and I will show you when I turn on the LCD what this buttons exactly do. And finally, we have here our thermometer with the light bulb right next to it, as close as possible, to increase the efficiency of the change in temperature. And also the light bulb is connected here to the BN pin in the Arduino, which allows 12 volts of energy, not only 5 volts, which is what the LCD uses and the buttons use. So basically the thermostat will work, and we set a range in which the temperature needs to be maintained, and the thermostat will turn on and off the light bulb in order to regulate the temperature we want. So as you can see here, the temperature is from 37 to 38, and the light bulb would be turned on until the temperature reaches that specific range. However, when the temperature goes beyond 38, the light bulb will go off, and as soon as the temperature goes below the TL, which is the number on the left, and will go right back on. So I'm going to show you how the buttons work. These buttons basically increase the TL, which is the temperature at its lowest point, and the TH by 0.5. And as you can see right now, the light bulb is turning back on because the temperature fell below the TL, and it's going to turn right back off right now when it goes beyond 38. So I'm going to try to change the range. So you can see it increases by 0.5 when I press this button, and it decreases by 0.5 when I press this button. Now, as you can hear, the piezo speaker makes a little different tone every time I press the button, every time I change the temperature. But now you can see I can be able to change the temperature not only by 0.5 but by 5 whole degrees. And we also set the Arduino to not allow us to go beyond 55 Celsius, so you're gonna see that when we try to go above our limit, the Arduino is gonna bring the temperature back to 55. So if I wanted to go beyond 55, it's gonna bring it back to 55. Goes the same way if we want to decrease the temperature below 20 degrees. As you can see, I'm changing the temperature by 5 degrees Celsius here, and if I try to go beneath 20, it will bring it back to 20 again, and the light bulb is off because it's trying to put the temperature back between these two numbers. And basically, this is our thermostat, and hope you enjoyed.